Good afternoon, I'm into Heath, and it was lovely this morning to see so many of you coming into school wearing lovely bright yellow clothes to help us raise awareness for Mental Health Awareness Day. So well done. It was very much hello yellow this morning, and some of you looked very bright and sunny, so well done. And we've got a lovely pile of certificates here. We're going to start with our oldest children today. And our first certificate for Year 6 is for Molly. Molly has been an aspirational, determined and independent alien this week. She always demonstrates the correct attitude to learning and displays a positive attitude and aspires to do her best. A true all-round Amington alien. Well done, Molly. And the next one is for Leo. Leo has been an independent and determined alien this week. He's worked extremely hard in maths and English and has been determined not only to complete the tasks set, but challenged himself to complete harder tasks as well. Super work, Leo. Keep it up. In Year 5, I have a certificate for Bethany. Bethany has worked really hard this week. She's listened carefully to instructions. And her work has been of high quality and she's been displaying a really positive attitude in the mornings. A determined and aspirational alien. Well done, Bethany. And our second one for Year 5 is for Harvey. Harvey has been a superstar this week. He has listened extremely carefully and the quality of his work has been excellent, especially his written work. Harvey has also been helpful around the classroom, proving he is an aspirational and independent alien. Well done, Harvey. And in Year 3-4, we've got a certificate for James. James has been an independent and expressive alien this week. He's been listening hard and having a go at all of his learning. That's fantastic, James. Well done. And a certificate for Lucy. Lucy has been a determined alien this week. She's been trying really hard to multiply using her formal method, and even though she struggled at the beginning of the week, she's now flying and quickly moving on to her challenges. Well done, Lucy. That really shows good determination. And in Year 2-3, we have a certificate for Logan. Logan is one of our stars because he has shown true alien qualities. He has been very resilient during some challenging maths learning and has been incredibly determined when creating questions to ask Neil Armstrong about his life and space while in our topic lessons. Well done, Logan. It's really good. And Kian. Kian has been a real Amington alien. He has been curious when researching the life of Neil Armstrong in our topic lessons and resilient when tackling some tricky maths challenges. He is always a fantastic role model for behaviour in our class. Oh, Kian, that's amazing to hear. Well done. And Caden. Caden has been really determined alien this week. He has tried extremely hard to make the right decisions. He's worked very hard in all of his lessons and completed a great amount of work. We're really proud of how he has worked this week and can't wait to see it continue. Well done, Caden. And Jacob. Jacob has been a very expressive alien this week. He has asked lots of questions and been super engaged in lessons. He has asked for help when he has needed it and has worked extremely hard. Great job, Jacob. So moving on to Miss Pretty's class. Shay has been an independent alien this week. He has been trying really hard to make good choices in class and have kind hands. He's been trying hard to sit nicely on the carpet and join in with group activities. Well done, Shay. And Harriet. Harriet has been an independent and aspirational alien this week. She's been taking her learning from the carpet into her play. Harriet's been playing schools and teaching her friends their phonics and numbers. During her play, Harriet has been writing phonemes learnt in read writing independently, as well as writing on the phonemes she can hear in the word giraffe in her English book. Giraffe is a really tricky word as well, so well done, Harriet. And in nursery, we have a certificate for Harry. Harry has been a fantastic, determined alien this week. He has had self-belief and determination in his number work. Well done, Harry. And our second one is for Sam. Sam has been an independent alien. He has started nursery with a fantastic independent attitude, ready to learn and embrace all challenges. Well done, Sam. And then moving to little learners, we've got a certificate for Gracie. Gracie had had a go at a 14-piece jigsaw puzzle. Well done, Gracie. And after persevering for a long time, she completed the puzzle all by herself. Well done, Gracie. That's really tricky. And Freddie. Freddie is consistently kind to other children and will comfort them if they're upset. He's also very helpful, wanting to help with small tasks around the room. Freddie is a really good role model. Well done, Freddie. That's really lovely to hear. It always makes me happy on a Friday when I get to read out all these positive things about the children at Amington Heath, because we know you're all superstars, and it's lovely to hear about some people that have really stood out. So well done. Right, our planet points. So this week we have got green team with 81 points, blue team with 87 points, yellow team with 126 points, but in the lead this week is red team with 134 points. Well done, red team. So have a fantastic weekend. We shall see you on Monday for another lovely week of learning. Have a great weekend. Bye.